Welcome to channel ABCLearn. Let's start with a quick introduction. I am a Java developer from Nanded district, Maharashtra. Currently working at Halka Tech company. It's located in Hyderabad. Uh, Now let's me explain the purpose behind this channel creation. I created this channel because in today's competitive job market, candidates often struggle to get a job in the IT industry. So through this channel, I want to help those candidates who wants to start a career in IT field. That's one of the main reasons I started this channel. Also, ultimate goal of this channel is to make learning accessible to everyone, like a final year student or college pass out candidate, and maybe a employee of a IT company. In this channel, guys, we can learn new technologies in a very simple manner. And I want to thank you guys for watching these videos. Your support and presence here means a lot to me. Also, it's motivate me to continue creating content like this, which is simple to understand and helpful for your career growth. Now, let's start discussion about our demo topic two. That is payment integration system. First, let me explain you guys what is payment system. Payment system is nothing but a service. Notice service. Notice this, guys. I'm calling it a service. Later, I will show you in depth why I'm calling it a service. Now, payment system is one who allowing customer to make a successful payment after completion of purchasing or buying a product or any service from maybe a e-commerce business sites, etc. Like, uh, let's get to know what is integration in payment system and merge integration. Integrations means integrating this payment service with the merchant sites, and a merchant is nothing but a seller who sells product to the customer, and this merchant is taking service from third party payment service provider like PayPal, Razor Pay, and RuPay. These are the payment service providers. In short, we call them as uh, PSP. So a customer can make a payment to merchant via these PSPs. Let's dive in deeper. What payment integration system matters? Because it fulfills some requirements which are very necessary and beneficial to both merchant as well as customers. Let's see what requirement it fulfills. First and most important is enhance customers experience. What exactly it means is a smooth and secure checkout process, which is improve customer satisfaction and reduce frustration during payment. These things enhance customer experience via these PSPs. Second one is business impact. Does PSP really impact the merchant business? Yes, it is. Then now let's get to know one by one it how it impacts. Like first, it is reduce the payment issue and provide secure transaction to avoid and fraud risk. Also increase customer trust from merchant business. Increase the secure payment process. Uh, there are some security standards also, like PCI DSS. Actually, it stands for Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards. It's nothing but some standards for payment process. Let's see what are those security standards. Let's get to know one by one. First security standard is authentication. Exactly what is authentication and who authenticates in this PSP authenticates in this PSP authenticator verifies payment requests is valid or not. Then how PSP verifies this? By knowing the necessary details which are required for payment. Detail may be like customer login credentials or its card details, something like that. Second security standard is verification and fraud check. In this, PSP validates the payment information and run risk assessment. How PSP validates or run risk assessment, we will see in our next upcoming topic in details. Third standards is authorization. In authorization, PSP approve or decline transaction based on verification outcomes. There is a big difference between authentication and authorization. That is, authentication means process of verifying the identity of customer, and authorization means the process of giving permission to access specific resources of functionalities after customer is authenticated. Next one standard is confirmation. Confirmation is of two types. One is transaction confirmation and second is order confirmation. In transaction confirmation, Through PSP, payment confirmation, response, transfer, or sent to the merchant site for order processing. And there is a flow transaction flow the transaction happening. There is a flow in transactions happens. We will see that in our next upcoming topic in depth. And order confirmation in this, once PSP confirm the payment, the merchant site update the order status to pay or maybe processing. Next one standard is customer notification standard. Customer notification. In this, an order confirmation is sent to the customer via mail, including purchase detailing and shipping information of order. The last one standard is order fulfillment standard. In this, the merchant side initiates packaging and dispatch of the order, ensuring timely delivery to the customer. Here we are get to know that why payment integration system is required. Let's get to know where this system of service is used or implemented. In real time, such system is used in e-commerce websites, online booking platforms, subscription-based services, mobile apps like food delivery, bill payment via Paytm, Google Pay, maybe on donation and NGO website, etc. And this system is implemented in backend side of these merchant applications. Now, there is a checkout flow diagram of one of PSP, that is PayPal. In this, we can see that uh, buyer, who is nothing but our customer, and merchant server is nothing but a seller, and merchant page is the application, and these three that is PayPal, JS SDK, PayPal checkout, and PayPal order APIs are of payment service providers. In this, what happened, I will shortly explain you guys. Like when merchant when merchant check out the PayPal button, then PayPal respond to merchant application. So it displays the PayPal button of its merchant application, And when buyer click on this PayPal button, PayPal shows one pop-up, and also it invoke one function like create orders, and merchant applications send create one order, and merchant calls API of order of PayPal order PayPal service. Then PayPal responded as order created. Then merchant, by taking the order ID which is received from PayPal, share it with its application, and then pay and then PayPal shows one browser pop-up browser pop-up. In that, a customer can log in using his credentials like username or password, and maybe if he wants to change some make changes in the address or his shipping orders also he can make, and he can complete the order process. Then after that, PayPal order approves and invoke one function like approves, which is then later in is then in a response to merchant page like application to capture order. Then merchant server call one API, that is capture, by carrying order ID, and then PayPal respond as OK and instructed merchants to complete the capture order capture. This is it looks like in first this is a very complicated checkout flow diagram, but when we try to segregate it and try to understand it one by one, then we can able to understand it, and the it, functionality of this payment integration system. It looks simple to us. Now in this uh, in this video, what we learn is the third party payments service provider, that is PSP, which allow a customer to make a secure payment with the merchant applications after completion of its order, and it follows some security standards also, like as we discussed in this video earlier. And In our next demo, we will see this chart flow diagram again in depth, and I will try to segregate it and explain one by one so you guys can able to understand how this payment integration system internally works. So today's in this demo we have uh, these things to discuss. We have discussed these things. Now in our next demo, I will come with better solutions on this payment integration and with new concepts. Thank you for watching this demo sessions. Thanks.